Greetings, and I hope you're well. So, I was here at Makerspace, and I found this Monoprice 3D printer. It is a mini, very tiny. You can see it's very tiny. But this is my first print that I've ever done. I've never touched a 3D printer before. I walked up to this one, grabbed the manual, read through the manual, set it up, and there was a cat print in here. It said cat G code. So I turned to that, told it to print, and by gosh, by golly, it started printing. So you can see I've got good adhesion to the bed. It's laying down really nice layers. So you can see, laying down really nice layers. The cooling on it, it's got a nice fan on it that's got a shroud. It blows on the part as it builds. It did build a raft down below for me for it to sit on. It's starting to build its supports and infills and all that good stuff. But just a little Monoprice 3D printer. First touch. First time I ever touched it. Set it up and it started printing. Pretty cool. So here we are, about 10 or 15% into the print. It seems to be printing just fine. It's giving me some real good layers. Got a lot of really good definition in there. I think it's got a really small nozzle. I don't know how big that nozzle is. It may be a 4mm. I don't know. I don't know what size the nozzle is, but it looks like it's trying to write something or put some kind of design on there. We'll see as it finishes up. So there you have it, my first 3D print. Little rough around the ears, a little rough around maybe the bottom of the paws, maybe on the bottom a little bit rough. Built up on the inside fairly well. You can see the layers. But I just thought I would show you what I did here today. Pretty good print, considering I've never printed anything before. I appreciate you watching. This is Silvertop Flyer, signing out.